I really did not smile anymore. I was forever just like this. I talked like this. I always had my hand in front of my mouth. Never opened my mouth. I had gaps. I was missing about 8 teeth between the upper and lower. Big gaps in my teeth. I couldn't eat. I was a teeth grinder, so they were getting stubblies and getting littler and littler all the time. It was very disappointing because I just didn't have good teeth. So I had to make a decision. Dr. Sheri gave me that feeling of trust and knowledge, and she knew exactly what she would do to make me smile. I decided to go with the implant-supported dentures. I have the implants put in, and then the teeth actually snap right into the implants, which secure them, overwhelmingly secure them tight. I don't have to worry about any slipping or falling out. Even my tongue can't move them. I did a lot to get this, and I am so happy I did everything that I did because it was well worth it. Like, this is everything to me. I just truly do love her because she brought somebody out in me that's been hiding. I love to smile, like I'm smiling again. That's the best gift of all.